Hello, my dear children. How are you all? This is your Gauri teacher from TODDLEDOM school. Children, today in our English session, we will learn to write three-letter words from IP-IP and ID-ID family. So let's see which words we are going to write today. IP-IP words. The first word is D-I-P, dip. D-I-P, dip. The next word is L-I-P, lip. L-I-P, lip. The next word is S-I-P, sip. S-I-P, sip. And the next word is Z-I-P, zip. Z-I-P, zip. I-D words. H-I-D, hid. H-I-D, hid. K-I-D, kid. K-I-D, kid. L-I-D, lid. L-I-D, lid. Open your red and blue line notebook, and in the first line you have to write cursive small I, join and write P. I, P, ip. I, P, ip. Now move to the next line and write cursive small d, join and write I, join and write P. D, I, P, dip. D, I, P, dip. Now come to the next line and write the next word. Cursive small l, join and write I, join and write P. L, I, P, lip. L, I, P, lip. Now leave 2 finger space and draw lips along with me. You have to make curve. Again you have to make one more curve, and in between you have to make a line. Like this you have to draw lips. Now move to the next line. Next word is cursive small s, join and write I, join and write P. S-I-P, sip. S-I-P, sip. Now move to the next line and write cursive small z, join and write I, join and write P. Z-I-P, zip. Z-I-P, zip. Now leave one line and write cursive small I, join and write D. I-D, it. I-D, it. Now move to the next line and write cursive small h, join and write I, join and write D. H-I-D, hid. H-I-D, hid. Now in the next line we have to write the next word. that is cursive small k, join and write I, join and write D. K-I-D, kid. K-I-D, kid. Now in the next line write cursive small l, join and write I, join and write D. L-I-D, lid. Now leave some space. Draw a sleeping line on the first blue line. Now both the sides you have to make one slanting line. Then one more sleeping line you have to make on the last red line. Then you have to make a slanting line and a curve. Put a small dot over there. This is L-I-D, lid. L-I-D, lid. So children, today we learn IP-IP and ID-ID family words. I hope you enjoyed this video. That's all for today. We will meet you in a new learning session soon. Till then, bye bye. Take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe.